Hello viewers, welcome into this session. We are still in mathematics from 3 and I want us to look at that topic, and that is trigonometry 2. Okay, before I talk about trigonometry 2, I want us to look at a small review about trigonometry 1. Okay, so review. In trigonometry 1, we are dealing with angles. Yes, but we are talking about a right angled triangle in trigonometry. In trigonometry 1. In trigonometry 1, we do talk about a right angled triangle with angles ranging between 0 and 90 degrees. From 0 degrees to 90 degrees. This is what we talk about in trigonometry 1. Again, we use symbols to represent the angles. We can use symbols like beta, we can have beta, we can have alpha, we can have gamma, any, to represent any angles within the triangle. Alright, and since the angle here is 90 degrees, if you can take this angle here to be theta, the angle up here will be 90 minus theta. Since angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Okay, in trigonometry 1, we also learned about the SOHCAHTOA. Yeah, I know you know about SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. And SOHCAHTOA, this means sine theta is given by O for opposite divided by H for hypotenuse. Alright, then we have curve. Curve means cos beta is given by adjacent divided by H hypotenuse. Then we have TOA, the last part, TOA, that is tan theta is given by O for opposite over A for adjacent. Okay, that is something more about the view of trigonometry 1. Okay, there are some other things that you learned in trigonometry 1, like the special angles, how we can get angle 30, 60, like that, such angles. So now I want us now to look at trigonometry 2. In trigonometry 2, it is not a must we use right angled triangle. We can have any type of a triangle. Any type of a triangle, that is what we deal with in trigonometry 2. Okay, before we go there, I would like us to talk about something. I want us to look at something called unit circle. A unit circle. And what is a unit circle? Unit means 1. So we have a circle whereby the radius is 1 unit. The radius for this circle of ours is 1 unit. From the center here to the circumference is 1. From the center to the circumference is 1 in all the parts. The radius is 1. That is our unit circle. And in our unit circle, we have quarters. 4 of them, and we call them quadrants. The quarters, we call them quadrants. We have the first quadrant, we have the second quadrant, we have the third quadrant, and we have the fourth quadrant. Alright, So in the first quadrant, we have angles ranging between 0 to 90. In the second quadrant, we have angles ranging between 90 and 180. In the third quadrant, we have angles ranging between 180 and 270. And in the fourth quadrant, we have angles ranging between 270 and 360. Okay, we can continue with the same cycle. From 360, we can add some other angles here. We continue like that. But now the good thing about our unit circle is that we concentrate with the angles on the straight line. The angles 0, 360, maybe we can have 720, maybe we can have 540, maybe we can have 900, like that. These are the kind of, this is the line that we concentrate so much on. And I'm going to elaborate more what I mean with this as we progress with our work. Again, in this part, we need to know that in the first quadrant, we have all sine, cosine, and tangent are positive. All of them, the sine, the cosine, and the tangent, they are positive. In the second quadrant, sine, it's only sine which is positive. Sine positive. In the third quadrant, tangents are positive. In the fourth quadrant, cosine are positive. All of them are positive in the first quadrant. Only sine is positive in the second quadrant. Only tangent are positive in the third quadrant, and only cosine are positive in the fourth quadrant. And we call this one, all students take care. It's our small formula that enables us to know where to place sine, tangent, and cosine. That all students take care. All for all of them. S for sine, T for tangent, and C for cosine. So stay tuned to my next video, as I will now be elaborating on how we solve mathematics problem in Trigonometry 2 using the unit circle. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.